today's video, I'm gonna show you the 7 ways to earn $500 a day in 2023 for free, and all you need for most of them is a phone and a computer. First, I want you to know the story of Gabriel Beltran, who moved from Uruguay to Miami with a dream of becoming a drummer and ended up making millions of dollars with our first side hustle, which is dropshipping. I know that you have probably heard about this a million times, but it's still a great way to earn money. I'm going to start a new dropshipping store and record every step so you guys can see that it is still a profitable business in 2023. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And the best part about this side hustle is that you can get started with literally $0, since you can do it the organic way. If you don't have a lot of money and don't want to invest in Shopify, you can start out by using System.io. System.io is completely 100% free to start. I personally use myself System.io for everything and I just love it. If you want to try, I'm gonna leave the link down on the description in the text file. After you have a product page, you need to find a winning product and a good supplier. There are a lot of good suppliers on AliExpress. Just make sure you always check the reviews before ordering from. To find the winning products, you can go on TikTok and look for tags like TikTok made me buy it. So like I said, if you want to start with $0, you need to invest more time. So you can look for creative videos from the product you choose and you can download it. Now all you have to do is create a TikTok account and be consistent. Keep posting videos every day about your product and leave the link on the description. You can make it pinned on the comment section and you can use bit.ly.com to shorten your links. After you reach 1,000 followers, you're gonna be able to put on your bio as well. Now our next side hustle is social media manager, and there are a bunch of different ways you can approach this side hustle, but the easiest one would be sending an email to restaurants around your neighborhood, calling or even dropping by and offering your services as a social media manager. Now this is something very easy to do, especially if you know how to get around with social media, and it's yet another thing you could do with zero investment. All you need is your phone. So reach out to your local restaurants, doctors, dentists, and pretty much any other business you can think of that could use some social media manage and offer your services. Maybe you could become the new Latasha James, who started this side hustle as an undergraduate student and now owns a huge marketing company. And if you want to have more chances of being hired by businesses, start by managing your own personal account. When you start out and do not have any feedback from other business, you can use yourself as a portfolio. Don't be afraid to show yourself. The responsibilities of a social media manager include developing and implementing social media strategies, creating and curating content, engaging with followers, and monitoring the analytics. You can start out by charging an hourly rate of $25 to $35 per client, but when you gain more experience, it's more profitable to charge a rate per project. Now, the next side hustle is my favorite, of course, is creating content for YouTube. 2023 is the year for content creators, and if you haven't started your YouTube channel, you are wasting time and a precious opportunity. The creative economy is one of the world's fastest growing sectors, and if you don't want to show your face, that's alright. You can make a faceless channel. Don't want to use your voice either, also fine. You can use AI. Actually, you can even use AI to cover the whole process of making your YouTube channel. I have other videos here on this channel showing you how to start a faceless YouTube channel, so you can check it out. There are examples of channels like Motiversities, which is in a motivation niche. This channel is making around $300,000 a year, and we are only counting the ads revenue. Next up, we have print on demand. There are many successful stores on Etsy, like this one here called I Like Maps. The owner of this store, Oliver Gretton, started this as a side hustle, which later has replaced his 9 to 5, allowing him to work from anywhere he wants. And as you can see here, he has already made more than 10,000 sales, and the average price for the map posters are the average of $30.75. And if we make the quick math here, he has already made the crazy amount of more than $300,000 just with this store here, and we are only talking about Etsy. Imagine this money right now. So many things you could do, right? And the best part, you don't need to be limited only selling here. You can sell on Printify as well. You can make a website for you and start going to Facebook groups that are on the niche and share your work. And for the last side side hustle, we have TickTock Lives. This is one of the many ways you can earn money through TikTok. There are a lot of people making more than $500 every single day just by going live on TikTok. And the most popular niches are ASMR lives, singing lives, gaming, and also sleeping. Yes, this is literally the laziest way to earn money. People record themselves sleeping and set up different kind of sounds or lights, so when someone actually gifts you on TikTok, it's gonna make some weird noises, a lot of lights around so you can wake up. And this is actually how you get paid. So they gift you, your fans can buy TikTok coins, which they are going to be able to send you as gifts during the lives. There are a lot of gifts they can send you, but the highest gift they can give you is the lion, worth $419.99 alone. After the live is over, you're gonna be able to see your balance. Then you will exchange the balance for virtual diamonds, which will be able to convert into real money. This was the 5 ways to earn money this year, but I have 4 secret ones that no one is talking about, so click here to see.